Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you guys are here. Today, we are going to break down this G10 20CV Asher Spiro, and we're going to try to fit it with some skiff bearings. Fantastic little knife, great little EDC knife. I think I'm going to need a T6 for the clip, T8 for everything else. Real quick before I get started, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you. I appreciate you all. And thank you to anybody who comes in to watch my knife, my EDC, my disassembly, unboxing, rant, videos. I appreciate you. If you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon down there, it really helps me out. So today we are going to see what happens getting into this Asher G10 20CV Spiro. We're going to start with taking our T6 clip off, and then we'll switch back to our T8. I've got my finger bit just in case, because these do go all the way through. So far, so good. Very nice hardware. Very deep. Let's see what we got here, guys. I'm probably going to want to get a little alcohol for my pivot, because it does have some crap in there. All right. All right, we got a captive there. Let's do this. Just so we can see how that pivot goes in, because it seems to be kind of Loctited up. All right, so it's D-shaped coming back. Very clean liners. Clean that crap off there. Let's clean our pivot. And the way I do that, I kind of just screw it in and out of my fingers there. Try to get that thread locker out of the threads. Back it out. All right, now let's see if we can get our liner out. We've got 2 pins and our pivot. Ooh, do not want that falling all the way out yet. Let's put that back in. Whoops. All right, so I got that. Now I'm going to a little cleanie on my liner there. One 1/16. One 1/16 by 5 millimeter, and I've got 6 millimeter. Let me see something. These probably aren't going to work. I used my last set of 5s last night. Nope, those aren't going to work. Let's see what we got. Nope, that's too small. So our 3/16 aren't going to work. So guys, we do not have the right size skiffs. So no big deal, no harm, no foul. What we will do is we will clean up what we've got. Put a little KPL original. All right, and now let's get that with it facing back. And let's clean up our blade. A little bit there. That'll run through. Now let's do this. Let's get our KPL heavy real quick. Put just a little squirt. Uh-oh. Our detent ball here. Bloop. Okay. Now, let's see if we can get it snapped back together. And we did. Got my pivot on. There we go. Nope. All right, I had that on. But why is that not going in all the way? Let's go back. There we go. All right, so we got that snapped. Pop that on there. Get our T8 pivot back in. All right, our pivot's not straight. That is problematic. So stay down there. All right. As your pivot is in, there we go. Trying to keep my pressure on it, guys, holding it together. Put in this body screw. And put in our clip. All right, let's see if we're even close. Dead nuts. So guys, that wasn't a fail. It was just we'll have to get some more 5mm 1/16 11 ball bearings. But that is a breakdown, at least, of the Asher G10 Spiro. I think tomorrow there's some more Asher ties dropping of the Spiro. But guys, thanks for watching the video. All I ever ask is if you'll please, please, please look out for that guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts. And always choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.